Good morning, students. This class I am going to continue the discussion, and I am going to discuss the problems based on periodicity of a function, which I given in the last class the definition. But once again, a function f of x is said to be a periodic function with a period t. F of x plus t is equal to f of x for all x. F of x plus t is equal to f of x for all x. Then the function is said to be a periodic function with a period t. This t is the least positive real number. T is called fundamental period of the function. F of x is a periodic function with a period t. Then nt is also the period of the function. F of x is a periodic function with a period t. Then nt is also the period of the function. You can observe here sin x, cos x. These are the periodic functions with the period 2 pi. Tan x and cot x are periodic functions with the period pi, whereas secant x, cosecant x are also the periodic functions with the period 2 pi. At the same time, fractional part of x is nothing but x minus integral part of x, periodic function with the period 1. So what is the geometrical meaning of period of a function? A function period we are saying 1, or a function period we are saying 2 pi. It means for every 2 pi length the same graph repeats. That is the geometrical meaning of period of a function. Geometrical meaning of a period of a function is for every t units length the same graph repeats. So that is the geometrical meaning of period of a function. If f of x is a periodic function with a period t, then a into f of x plus b is also the periodic function with a period t, whereas f of ax plus b is a periodic function with a period t by modulus of a. F of x is a periodic function with a period t, then nt is also the period of the function, and a into f of x plus b, this function period also t only, whereas f of ax plus b period is equals to t divided by modulus of a, where a is the coefficient of x. So that is about the fundamental period of a function. Now observe here, when the function is given like this, f of x is equals to sin x plus cos square x, we can take f of x is equal to sin x plus cos square x. What about the period of this function? This function period is 2 pi. The reason is, you can check f of x plus 2 pi, we are getting it as sin of x plus 2 pi plus cos square x plus 2 pi. Now sin 360 plus theta is equal to sin theta, whereas cos 360 plus theta is equal to cos square x. Now we got f of x only. That's why it is a periodic function with a period pi, 2 pi we can say. So few more applications I am going to discuss here. So what is the period of the function? 8 power x divided by 2 power integral part of 3x. 8 power x divided by 2 power integral part of 3x. That function period we want to find out. Yes, this can be written as 2 to the power of 3x minus integral part of 3x. Now I can write that one as 2 to the power of fractional part of 3x. As you know, f of x is a periodic function with a period t, then f of ax period is t by mod a. Now this function period is equal, because you know fractional part of x is a periodic function with a period 1. So now here f of 3x is there, that's why its period is 1 by 3 is the period for this function. We have another question here. F of x is equal to sin square x plus cos x whole to the power of 4. That is the problem given. What about the period of this function? F of x is equal to sin square x plus cos x whole to the power of 4. This function period, you can check f of x plus pi, what we will get here? F of x plus pi we will get sin square 180 plus theta plus cos power pi plus x, right? Cos 180 plus theta is minus cos theta whole power. Sin 180 plus theta is also minus sin theta whole square is there. That's why we are getting sin square x plus cos x whole to the power of 4. That we are getting f of x only. F of x plus pi we got f of x. So it is a periodic function with period pi we can say. Another question we can discuss here. F of x is equals to cosecant of 6 minus 5x. What is the period of this function? You know cosecant x is a periodic function with period 2 pi. That's why its period is 2 pi divided by modulus of minus pi. That's why we can say 2 pi by 5 is the period of that particular function. So this is another question given here. We want to find out the period of secant 2x by 7 minus cosecant 3x by 7. This function period we have to find out. So this function period is equals to 2 pi divided by 2 by 7, whereas this function period is 2 pi divided by 3 by 7. Now what happened this one? 14 pi divided by 2, whereas here 14 pi divided by 3. So period of this function is nothing but the LCM of these two. So for these two, LCM means what to do? Numerator LCM find out. Numerator LCM 14 pi LCM is 14 pi only, whereas denominators greatest common divisor we have to find out. 2 comma 3 greatest common divisor is 1 only. That's why 14 pi by 1. That's why we can say period of this function is equal to 14 pi. Observe, numerators LCM, denominators GCD, greatest common divisor we are finding. Now another question here. Cos of 3x by 5, cos 3x by 5 minus sin 2x by 7. This function period we have to find out. Come on, tell me, this is the periodic function with the period 2 pi by 3 by 5, whereas here 2 pi by 2 by 7. Now it becomes 10 pi by 3, whereas here 2 cancel, we will get 7 pi. 10 pi and 7 pi, what is the LCM? 10 pi and 7 pi LCM we will get as 70 pi, whereas denominator 3, 1. Greatest common divisor for 3 comma 1 is 1 only. That's why this function is a periodic function with the period 70 pi is the answer for that particular question. So another question, see here, this is the question given. The question is given like this. F of x is equals to sin of cos x. F of x is equal to sin of cos x plus cos of sin x. We want to find out the period for this particular function. Okay, first of all we will check. No doubt, f of x plus 2 pi, we will get f of x only. That's why I am checking f of x plus pi. What about f of x plus pi? F of x plus pi is equal to sin of cos x plus pi plus cos of sin x plus pi. Now this is equals to sin of, what about cos 180 plus theta? Cos 180 plus theta is equal to minus cos theta, right? Whereas here sin 180 plus theta is equal to minus sin x. Now it becomes minus sin of cos x, whereas here cos of sin x. So which is not equals to f of x. F of x plus pi is not equal to f of x. That's why we can say pi is not the period of the function. But you can check 2 pi. F of x plus 2 pi definitely will get f of x. You can check. Cos 360 plus theta is cos theta. Sin 360 plus theta sin theta. Function remains same only. That's why f of x plus 2 pi is equal to f of x. So this function is a periodic function with a period 2 pi we can say. So another question of the same model you can check. The question is given like this. F of x is equals to cos of sin x plus cos of cos x. That is f of x given. Now find out the period of this function. Okay, I am checking with f of x plus pi by 2. Now we can write this one as cos of sin 90 plus theta is cos theta plus cos of cos 90 plus theta is minus sin x. That is the reason because cos of minus theta it becomes cos theta. This one we are getting it as cos of cos x plus cos of sin x. Now we got f of x only. So f of x plus pi by 2 we got f of x. So we can say the given function is a periodic function with the period pi by 2. So let's have a discussion of another question here. The question is given like this. F of x is equal to 3 times sin x whole to the power of 4 plus 2 times cos x whole to the power of 6. Yes, this is a periodic function with the period pi, because you see even powers are there, so sin remains sin only, cos remains cos only. If you are trying to check for pi by 2, what happens? Sin 90 plus theta becomes cos theta, cos 90 plus theta sin, here cos power 4, here sin power 6 you will get. That's why you won't get the same function. So f of x plus pi is equal to, you will get 3 into sin 180 plus theta whole to the power of 4 plus 2 into cos 180 plus theta whole to the power of 6. Now we can write this one as 3 into sin x whole to the power of 4 plus 2 into cos x whole to the power of 6. That is f of x only. That's why this is a periodic function with the period pi, we can say. So this is the another question given. F of x is equals to sin of x plus 4x plus 9x plus and so on plus n square x. What is the period of this function he is asking? Yes, this can be written as sin of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus n square into x. That we can write it as sin of n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 into x. Now tell me, this function period is equals to 2 pi divided by the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. That's what we can write, 12 pi divided by n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. That is the period of this particular function. Let's have a discussion of another question here, which you can do it. F of x is equal to sin pi x by 2 plus cos pi x by 3. We have to find out the period of that particular function. Come on, try. Sin pi x by 2 plus cos pi x by 3, period required. Now observe here, this is a periodic function with period 2 pi by 2, whereas this one is a periodic function with period 2 pi by 3. Now pi cancel, we are getting 4 and here we are getting 12. Yes, so that is nothing but we have to find out the LCM of 4 comma 12. Tell me, what is the LCM of 4 comma 12? LCM of 4 comma 12 will get 12 only. So that's why this function is a periodic function with the period 12. So another question here, f of x is equals to sin square pi by 8 plus x by 2 minus sin square pi by 8 minus x by 2. Now sin square a minus sin square b formula. Sin square a minus sin square b formula is sin a plus b into sin a minus b. That's why you will get sin square a minus sin square b formula. Sin a plus b. That's why you will get sin pi by 4 into sin a minus b. Then you will get sin x. Now you know sin x is a periodic function with a period 2 pi is the answer for that particular question. So this is the another question, f of x is equal to sin x whole to the power of 4 plus cos x whole to the power of 4. We have to find out the period of this function. Directly we can say, because in place of x, because same powers. Here if you write 90 plus sin changes to cos. Here you write 90 plus cos changes to sin. That's why we can say it's a periodic function with the period pi by 2 we can say. Or otherwise we can do it like this. 1 minus 2 times sin square x into cos square x, as we discussed earlier. Sin x whole to the power of 4 plus cos x whole to the power of 4 can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. Again we can write this one as 1 minus 1 by 2 into sin x into cos x whole square. That we can write it as 1 minus 1 by 2 into sin square 2x. So sin square 2x. Now sin square 2x can be written as 1 minus cos 4x divided by 2. Tell me, this is a periodic function with the period 2 pi by 4, that is equals to pi by 2 you will get, because cos 4x, x coefficient is 4, irrespective of this. That's what I told. A into f of x plus b is a periodic function with period t only, whereas f of ax plus b is a periodic function with period t by mod a. That's why this is a periodic function with period pi by 2 is the answer. So this is another question. F of x is equals to modulus of sin x plus modulus of cos x. What about the period of this function? You can check here. Sin 90 plus theta you will get cos theta, because both are having same powers. At the same time, whether 180 plus or 90 plus, it makes no difference because modulus is there. That's why you can check f of x plus pi by 2. You will get modulus of sin 90 plus x plus cos 90 plus x. Sin 90 plus theta is equal to minus cos x. Sin 90 plus theta is cos x, whereas cos 90 plus theta is minus sin x. So that's what you will get modulus of cos x plus modulus of sin x, which is nothing but f of x only. That's why this is a periodic function with a period pi by 2 we can say. Suppose the problem is given like this. F of x is equal to modulus of sin 8x plus modulus of cos 8x. Tell me, what is the period of this function? This is f of x, then this will be f of 8x or not. In place of x we have 8x is there. F of x is a periodic function with the period pi by 2. That's why f of 8x is a periodic function with the period pi by 2 by 8. That is equals to pi by 16. Yes or no? Mod sin x plus mod cos x is a periodic function with the period pi by 2. But here we have modulus of sin 8x, modulus of cos 8x. So it is a periodic function with the period pi by 2 by 8. That's why you will get pi by 16. So this is another question given. Cot 5x plus 3 plus sin 3x plus 4 divided by secant 3 minus 4x minus cos 4 minus 6x. That function period we have to find out. First of all, tell me what is the period of this function. That function period is pi by 5, because you know cot x is a periodic function with a period pi by 5. Next, this function period is 2 pi by 3. This function period is 2 pi by modulus of minus 4, that's why 4. Whereas this function period is 2 pi divided by modulus of minus 6, that is equal to 6. Now we have to find out the period of this function. How to find out the period of the function? Come on, tell me, what about the LCM of the numerator? Numerator LCM is equals to 2 pi. Period of this total function is equal to LCM of all these. Now how to find out the LCM of all these? Numerators LCM find out, you will get 2 pi. Now find out the greatest common divisor for the denominator. The greatest common divisor for denominator is 1. That's why this function is a periodic function with period 2 pi. So this is another question. F of x is equal to cos x into cos 60 plus x into cos 60 minus x. We want to find out the period of the function. As you know, this simplification we did earlier, 1 by 4 into cos 3x. this simplification you will get 1 by 4 into cos 3x. Cos theta into cos 60 plus theta into cos 60 minus theta is equal to 1 by 4 into cos 3 theta. You will get nothing. Apply cos a plus b into cos a minus b formula, simplify, you will get 1 by 4 into cos 3x. Now this is a periodic function with period 2 pi by 3. So that is equals to 2 pi by 3 is the period of that particular function. So this is another question. The question is given like this: n belongs to natural numbers. Cos nx divided by sin x by n is a periodic function with period 4 pi. This is a periodic function with period 4 pi given. Then is asking what is the value of n. Numerator is a periodic function with period 2 pi by n. Denominator is also a periodic function with period 2 pi divided by 1 by n. Now I can write this one as 2 pi by n, comma 2n pi divided by 1. Now we have to find out the LCM of these two. Numerator LCM is 2n pi, whereas denominator we have to find out the greatest common divisor for 1 and n. 1 and n greatest common divisor is 1 only. That means this function is a periodic function with period we got 2n pi. But in the question the period is given as 4 pi. Now pi cancel, you will get the value of n is equals to 2. Next question is asking, so find sine function. He is asking to find the sine function whose period is 2 by 3. We have to find out the sine function whose period is 2 by 3. Sine function whose period is 2 by 3 we have to find out. Let us say f of x is equal to sin kx. F of x is equal to sin kx. This is the function I am saying whose period is 2 pi by 3. Now actually what is the period of this function? 2 pi divided by k. This is the period for this function. But there it is given as 2 by 3. Now 2 cancel, we are getting k is equal to 3 pi. So that's why we can take that function as, we can write that function as sin 3 pi x we can say, or plus or minus sin 3 pi x we can say, or plus or minus sin 3 pi x plus alpha also we can say. So either this function period is 2 by 3, either this function period is 2 by 3 only. So we are assuming the function as a sin kx, its period is 2 pi by k, that is equated to 2 by 3, we got k is equal to 3 pi. So that's why in place of k we can write 3 pi. Now here if I am writing minus 3 pi also, you will get the period is 2 pi only, because modulus we are taking. So that is the reason period of the function and few applications based on period of the function. Okay, let's practice more questions for further clarity, and if you have any doubts we will discuss. Okay, bye.